Hello. If you're seeing this video, it means that I am personally reaching out to you to ask to please be one of the seeds to start this Blake's Tin Man Snowball Fundraiser. How this works is on Thursday, we're asking all 150 to do it on Thursday because if it's all done at the same time, it has a way better potential for having a viral snowball effect. So on Thursday, I will reach back out via email or text and remind you to go to blakestinman.com/snowball. And let's do this together. You can donate any amount. It can be $5. After you do that, nominate 3 others to do the same thing and share it. We're nominating the others to donate and share to nominate 3 others, and so on and so forth. It's a snowball effect, ripple effect, domino effect. You get the idea. But what we're trying to do is start a big snowball with 150 people on Thursday and then push it over the mountain to hopefully become some sort of an avalanche effect. This benefits the Blake Matthew Mindful Memorial Foundation. We are a mental health organization based out of Reedsburg, Wisconsin, and we provide not only scholarships to students pursuing a career in mental health, but we also recently launched and we have issued 60 Tin Man coins. Tin Man coins are wellness grants that are awarded to applicants who apply who are struggling with a mental health related issue. If we can raise $1 million, it equates to about 10,000 people having their lives impacted with a Blake Matthew Tin Man coin. So thank you from the bottom of my heart to all my old friends and new friends and family. Thank you for your contribution and your participation in nominating others and encouraging them to share and nominate as well. Thank you very much. Let's see how big this snowball will get.